Everyone, look at this incredible feast. So much delicious food to enjoy. We have prawns, chicken, and all these amazing appetizers. Let's dive in.
Whoa, this green chili is really spicy. My mouth is on fire.
The water helps. This giant red prawn is calling my name. Incredible. That was good. Okay, shell goes back. Alright, let's start with this huge mutton nalli. Look at the size of this bone and the dripping sauce. Time to dig in. Wow, this is a heavy one. Look at that thick curry dripping. I can't wait to bite into this. Alright, let's get the good stuff out of this nalli. That's the flavor. So rich. So tender and rich. The curry is perfect. Time to mix this all up. Delicious. This incredible flavor, Sam. This rice is so good. And Nathan, this is amazing. So flavorful. I love it. Time to get this leg off. Yes, look at that tear.